What is up, my dudes? Today we're gonna make another amazing guitar type rap, hip hop, trap beat. I'm not sure if it's gonna be rap, hip hop, or trap yet, but we're gonna see. I have this amazing guitar that I just recorded, and so we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. Sweet, so I have this awesome guitar that I just recorded, okay? This is gonna be the verse here. All right, and this is the chorus. So yeah, that sounds pretty dope. We're gonna clean it up a little bit later, but for now it sounds awesome. So we're just gonna go ahead and like add some drums and shit. Sweet, so now I've got the verse drums, and the verse drums sound like this. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and just like loop that. Obviously, we'll change the drum sounds later. I know they sound, both them and the guitar need EQ'd really bad. So we're gonna duplicate pattern 1, and we're actually gonna make it change every other one because it follows the beat more. Sweet, and so now it changes every other one, and now it sounds like this, the second half. Sweet, and then the chorus, let's go ahead and add some drums for the chorus. All right, and that already sounds dope. And so the very next thing we're gonna do is throw in a bass. And I like to use more realistic sounding basses, but maybe, I don't know, let's actually try a synthetic bass. So we're gonna throw down an X8, and this is in the key of E, I think. E, C, D, E. Yeah, so that already is like, yeah, right on point. All right, so we've got half the bass. We're just gonna duplicate it for the second half. Nice, and so that already sounds dope. So we're gonna just copy and paste that, and I think that's also the chorus. Except for we're gonna actually clone this guy, pattern 6, drop it down, we're gonna change it for the chorus. We're just gonna change the last note. Nice, okay, now let's just drop down another pattern 6, and that's the chorus. Ooh, actually let's erase that, copy and paste that, and then we'll just make the last note not exist. Nice, okay, so now we've got all that down. I'm just wondering what we could add to it. So I'm gonna take a listen and imagine other instruments. I think a piano might sound good here. So I'm actually gonna just add an Addictive Keys because their piano sounds great. I used it in the last video because it's just awesome. Everything about it is dope. So we're gonna just piano roll this guy. So we're starting off with just our bass notes here, right? And then we're gonna add some chords like do 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 do, something like that. So if you guys didn't know this, if you hold the cut tool and you do your right mouse button instead of the left one, it deletes the end off like that. Sweet, so now we've got that pattern 5 down. I'm actually gonna take this guy and make a new pattern because I forgot to do that. So we're just gonna throw it down on a pattern 7. And we'll make everything sound human in a minute. I know I did that in the last one like immediately, but I'm gonna wait till the end and then we'll humanize things and make it sound like super awesome all at once. Super awesome all at once, bro. Nice, and so now we've got this nice piano, we've got this nice guitar, we can layer them however we want. Got our bass, we got our drums. This is the entire beat. All we have to do is add in a little embellishments, structure the song to be amazing, and EQ everything and we're good to go, right? So, wow, this beat's, it's only been 25 minutes and I almost have the whole beat. That's fucking awesome. Hashtag skills. Nice, and then, are these all pattern 7? Did I fuck up? Oh, no, I didn't fuck up. I kind of fucked up. It's okay. Let's drop down to pattern 8. Just hold Control Shift while clicking all the beats, the notes. You want to copy? Control C, Control V, obviously. And we'll just do... Right, and then we'll just humanize this a little more. Nice, and then we'll Control Alt R, and we'll fuck with the velocity just a little bit. Nice. All right, and we'll do the same here. Control Alt R, just fuck with the velocity, accept that. Yeah, now it sounds like someone just went with their fingers. I love that, it's a little more real. All right, now let's make the hi-hat sound realer. It sounds really, just a little slightly more than that, and then we'll preview. All right, yeah, and that's the beat. We'll just leave it like that. It's 2 minutes, 30 seconds long. Sounds dope to me. Let's do some EQ and then add some embellishments. So yeah, we don't have a lot of instruments on this one. So kick, remember F2, kick. There we go. F2, clap. F2 hat. It's like StarCraft, bro. If you play a lot of StarCraft, you'll probably use the F keys a lot. Now let's, I like to EQ my guitars if they're clean, usually outside of Guitar Rig 5, just because I like having better control over the sound. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with a parametric equalizer and always, always, always do a high pass. Just so you get rid of muddiness, it'll make it sound better. And do you hear that fuzzy white noise sound? We're gonna get rid of that. So we're gonna go ahead and click here. We're gonna go edit sample. We're gonna select some silence at the beginning. That's perfect. Hit the brush, acquire noise profile. We're gonna test it. Preview. And it already sounds amazing. So we're just gonna go ahead and do the whole thing, accept. It's gonna go through the whole audio and clean it up. And then we're gonna drag it back down here, right there, new audio. And that already sounds like mega clean. Now you don't need a lot of bass on the guitar, and the reason why is because like that's already covered by your piano and your bass. So you can actually take out some bass and it makes the guitar a little cleaner. All right, now we're gonna open the sound. And so the first thing I always do is I add a reverb because it just, it widens the sound. Oh, another thing we could add actually before the reverb is a Fab Filter Timeless because it's amazing. Check this out. We're just gonna go through a couple presets. Nice, all right, now let's go ahead and put a limiter on this because it's a little quiet. So we wanna like bring up the volume. A lot of people use like maximizers or sound goodizers to bring up the volume. And like a maximizer is cool if you know how to use it. It's basically just like a multi-band compressor that you can control how it compresses. But I just like to use a straight up limiter because it's simple. So I just go straight all the way down to Fruity Limiter. And so I just turn the gain up and the ceiling down. All right, now let's open it up. Now you see how that sits on top the mix now, and it's like, you can actually hear it? That's awesome. I'm actually gonna turn up the timeless a little more. All right, now I'm gonna get rid of like the kicks and the claps and the hats because they sound like shit to me. So I'm gonna find some decent ones. Now you hear how the piano and the guitar are fighting for space? We're gonna fix that. All right, now I'm gonna put an imager on that. Now I know it already covers like a lot of space, but I want it to cover more space because like it's still pulling in front of the guitar too much. So I think we just need to make the guitar slightly thicker. Nice, so for the most part that's already EQ'd, so the only thing that we have to do now is just add in like a little bit of crescendos and things to make it like flow slightly better, and then that's a beat. Oh, and also like let's make the bass like cover more space because right now it's like dead center. See? All right, now I'm gonna split up the drums so that I can add more like dynamics, okay? So right now they're all on pattern 1 and pattern 4. I'm gonna take pattern 1, I'm gonna clone it. So now we've got pattern 1, pattern 2, and we'll just throw it down here, pattern 3, right? And so we'll just delete the kick and the hi-hat. All right, and I also want like an impact there, that way it sounds awesome. So I have impacts that I downloaded from somewhere on the internet, royalty free, and I like that one sounds awesome. I'll put that on insert 7 because it's a little loud. So that's a beat, guys. There you go. How to make a beat in like an hour and 5 minutes. I timed it. I filmed the whole fucking thing. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to see some more videos like this, go ahead and hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. And you guys have a wonderful day.